Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to label a curve in MicroSurvey CAD. To get started, go up to the top and click MS Annotate. If you move left here, where you can see all the possible labels at your disposal, click Label Curve. This opens the Curve Label options box. You can choose which side the data will be shown, radial option, and customize different prefixes for the data. When you're done, click OK. Now we just have to choose which arc to label. As soon as you click it, you can see the data associated with the curve and edit them. Click OK, and now my curve is labeled with all of its data. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.